Hey guys, welcome. I'm so excited to share with you all this information that will be in this video. So if you wanted to know how to invest in stock market, what to do with that, how to create a passive income, and how to get opportunity to invest right now, right in this second, I will show it to you. First of all, to get the opportunity to invest, it's absolutely easy. I have this platform. I suggest you to just get started. The best thing that you can make in investing is just get started right now. It's absolutely free. You can create an account to start using the platform that I'm using, and literally tons of successful people using this platform. You just need to write down your email, create your password, and that's it. I'm on the platform already, so I will show you how this works. This is interface of this platform. You have a lot of opportunities: options, binary and digital, forex, and stocks. You need to, of course, you can go to crypto. What's happening right here? Bitcoin, Cosmos, Stellar, Qtum. Alright, we're gonna talk about stocks. Let's see what's happening right here. If you will see carefully, you will find out that you know almost all of these companies. Almost all of these companies. And you can be the part of these companies. You should think about stock market as ownership of the companies, and this is basics. Okay, it's not like you opening your own business. Of course, I believe that you thought about that. If you're interested in the stock market, you wanted sometime. I'm sure that you wanted to open your own business. But it's not so easy as it seems like, first of all, and investment much more easier. And you become a part of a company literally in seconds. You don't need to open your own company. You don't need to open your accounts, etc., etc., etc. So you just can open your business in couple clicks. But it will be not only yours. Yeah, you'll buy the shares of companies, worldwide known companies. Okay, so let's see which company right now is in not good position. There are three types of trading. First one is daily trading, the second one is swing trading, and the third one is buy and hold. If you buy and hold shares of some companies for some long period, you can get the dividends of these companies. Pinterest, for example. All right, this great position, this great and nice. The price fell down a little bit, if you can see that. The price fell down, it's on a bottom, and it will grow for sure. This asset will be opened in 6 hours. I want to invest on it. For example, 4,000 or 1,000 or $10, any amount if you want. We'll get the multiplier 10, for example, and buy. Pending position created, platform says me. That means that when the asset will be available, my actions in this platform will become true, and they will give me the opportunity to hold shares of Pinterest company. When the price of this company will grow, I'm talking about the swing trading. The point is to buy on the bottom and to sell on the top. this company will grow. You all know the Pinterest, and I'm sure that you're using it. So you can be the part of this company. You can buy shares like in a couple clicks. I just showed you how to do that. And when the price will grow up, you can sell the shares in seconds and withdraw your funds to your bank account, to your card. Right now in my portfolio I have some active companies. If you can see, some companies fell down a little bit, and some companies gave me like $2,000, $3,000, $3,000, $2,000. I wasn't on a platform for a week, for example, and like for this time, for 1 week, I've made $15,000. When these assets will be available on the platform, on the international stock market, I will close these positions and I will get my funds. I will get my profit. So with no efforts, almost with no efforts, I've made my passive income, and I'm using it to live, to have fun, and to share with you knowledges that I've got during my trading experience, during my trading time. So guys, be my guest. Use the links under this video. Go to the platform, pass the registration, and try it for free, absolutely for free. You have a demo account, you can try to invest, and when you will get your own experience, small one or big one, when you will feel confident in investment, please make a deposit and buy shares of any company in the world, literally. I wish you good luck. I wish you to be wise and be careful. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Be my guest. Use the links under this video. Have a nice day. Bye.